I'll show you in this video how you can add a discount to a product. So what you're gonna have to do here is let's go to online store from here. Let's go to manage store. And then here, once we click on manage store, we're gonna have to click on products. Here on products, I'm gonna select, let's say, this product. And then here, when you actually added a product or we added the product, we're gonna see here pricing, right? And here we're gonna see a price. We can add a price, but also we can add a discount here. Okay, and just don't forget to save, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video helpful. You can see also discount here. So yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. And if you have more suggestions for the next Hostinger tutorial, leave your suggestions down below. So thanks for watching and take care.